stay here.
Can you please back out? I'll do anything you want. Paano mo nalaman di ako marunong mag-swim?
Next up for the Q&A, Miss Lucia.
Sorry, Lucia. Sorry. So sorry.
Here is your question. What does this competition mean to you?
Boss, did you handle it?
Shut up.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Joining and winning this competition is a love letter from me to the world. I want to tell the people that I love its fairness, that success is not only for the selected few, but for those who are willing to do the work for it. Thank you so much.
Wow, that was beautifully said. Now, I'm going to announce on ways how these lovely ladies can attain bonus points in this competition. Our esports star, Mr. Pan, will be joining our beautiful ladies in a Mobile Legends game. Ladies, who wants to join? Are you ready?
Magsisimula na nga ang kabang-abang ng show match. Ang player na magpapakita ng malagro na galing ay mafe-feature bilang in-game battle emote sa MLBB. Ang nakapit na nga si Hannah, gagamitin niya si Akal with the 8% skin. Mukhang nakakapita na yung dalawang curve. Sino naman kaya ang pipiliin ni Bisaya? Wow! Sabi na isa pa na siya. Gusto ko lang ito. Bukod pa dyan, inaantas na ang item build. Mukhang kamay niyang laro itong gear na ito.
You know what you're still outside.
Ikaw! Pareho kayo! Sama kayo!
Yun na yun?